Hey guys, it's Phaedra from All Things Phaedra, and I'm going to be brief because it's cold out here. I am here to talk to you about this beautiful luxury hotel I'm staying at, the Montage Big Sky. And coincidentally, the last time I did a hotel video, it was when I was staying at another luxury hotel in Napa Valley called Alila. The weather was really different though. It was like record-breaking 100-degree temperatures in California. It was hot, but the hotel was gorgeous. Well, now it's cold, but the hotel is also gorgeous. And coincidentally, both of these trips are for an Infiniti event. So I am here for an Infiniti winter drive, and Big Sky, Montana delivered the weather. But I'm not going to mind going out and doing my driving because wait till you see these surroundings. I'm going to show you the room and then just a little bit of the hotel. It's gorgeous. We're actually sitting out on the patio of my hotel room. And look at that, there's ice on the ground just to prove to you it really is cold. But this is what I wanted you to see. That view, that is real snow. Those are real mountains. In fact, let's just zoom on in. Some of you may have seen my Yellowstone videos. I was here last summer as part of a family vacation, and I fell in love with Montana. I'm excited to be back here for winter and to explore a different part of the state. Let's take another look at that view. And now we're going to turn around, take a look at my beautiful little patio, and we're going to head inside. Two queen beds in here. I've got a little bit of my gear set up, but you can get a general idea of how the room is laid out. Look at that view. As you might expect, there is a minibar. Hey guys, I'm not going to touch the minibar because then I have to pay for it. But if you're a minibar kind of person, you have plenty of really good selection. Oh, look at this. Gin. It's got dust on it. I guess a lot of people don't drink gin, but I like that label. Wine, vodka, and look, a little oxygen boost. But my friend Amelia said don't do it. Don't, stay away from the oxygen. I don't know why, but I trust her, so I'm going to do that. So the mini bar, here is your coffee maker. I don't drink coffee, but for some people this is really important. So now you know you have to pack your own, or you can use what's in here. There are your coffee cups and your creamers. Let's go down here and see what's inside. There is a fully stocked bar. Again, it ain't free, but if you're interested. Oh, and beautiful crystal glasses. Let's take a look at these. Those are beautiful. I love that. All right, let's see what else we have in the room. I haven't gone anywhere near the beds yet because I want them to look nice and crisp and beautiful. I love the light fixtures in here. And this is something I haven't seen. If we stand back, they have this entire wall unit here. So that kind of blends in with the mini bar. And you'll see they have this wall unit with shelves. You can get everything that you want. I've already checked in a little bit here. I was looking at this up here, and I believe that that is a diffuser. It has a place to put like essential oils, I guess, if that's your thing. Drawers in the wardrobe over here. Now, I do have a fireplace in the room. We're going to come back to that. A really nicely mounted TV. We've got some more shelving. We've got a lovely ironing board and a steamer. Ooh, I might use that steamer. And down here, there we go. More storage space, lots of connections for your devices. Over here, we've got a divider with hooks on it, which is great. Lots of outlets. By the bed as well. This is the entryway right here. And then we've got these, what do they call these? Barn doors. We've got these barn doors for the bathroom. And let's go on in. Ooh. Now, here's the big question. Do I indulge in this beautiful shower? Or do I take advantage of this beautiful bath? Maybe I do a bath and then I rinse off in the shower. You've got a vanity here. When I go to luxury hotels, I never pack toiletries because I know they're going to have the best. Nice fluffy towels, and we've got our hair dryer down there. Let's see what's in here. Any guesses? Maybe bath salts? Yes! Okay, got that right. Then we've got a lovely loofah over here. Oh, I'm definitely using this tub. And then here's our potty closet inside. That's gorgeous. And then we have robes, and I'm not really a robe person, unless it's a fancy hotel. So I think I'm going to take advantage of that. And then let's explore right over here by the bed. So these are all the controls. And we had something similar at the Alila Hotel where we have options like fireplace on. Finally, I can lay down on the bed. I don't mind getting it messed up. The fireplace just came on. There we go. Oh, that looks beautiful. This evening, I'm going to come back, turn on my fireplace, relax, and I will let you know how comfortable these beds are. And then I'm also going to show you the rest of this gorgeous hotel. So, as you might be able to tell, I've spent the day with Infiniti. We did a lot of outdoor activities, a lot of outdoor driving, and if you are looking for winter weather, Big Sky is the place to come. And if you're looking for a luxury hotel, the Montage is also the place to come. So I showed you my room. I had an amazing night's sleep. I took a nice hot bath before I went to bed. But there's more than just the room here. There is the gorgeous interior. I'm going to take you on a quick tour of that. I really wasn't kidding when I said a quick tour. We're going to head in and get a glimpse at the lobby with the beautiful vistas of the mountains. Venturing down the hall, you'll find Wildflower Market, which has an amazing bakery where you can see the pastry chefs making everything fresh from scratch. All the way through to Alpenglow Lounge, where they have nightly performers. And then if you're ready to do a little shopping, they have some boutiques. I saw these great Louis Vuitton boots and a spa boutique, and into the wellness center, where they have a yoga studio and a fitness center, and outside we make our way to the heated pool and jacuzzis. Open year-round. And if you're really more interested in winter sports, you can head over to the ice skating rink. And the area looks even more stunning at night. I was able to get a glimpse from a private suite where Infiniti had a chef prepare us a dinner. Not too shabby, right? But there's more than just the indoors to enjoy. We're situated in the middle of this beautiful outdoor area. And although I am not a skier, I am going to partake in some snow activities. So come with me while I go with Montage for both snowshoeing and snow tubing. If you're into skiing, this is where you'll find some of the biggest skiing in America, including triple black diamond trails. So I headed over to Compass Sports, where I promptly strapped on some snowshoes instead of skis. I have to just capture that noise. Snowshoeing adventure. Right now we're traversing across the frozen parking lot and going into the woods. It was so incredibly cold, but when I got back, I couldn't say no to the idea of snow tubing. Okay, here we go. Thank you. Okay, there we go. Little bit. Sorry. Okay. Here we go. Oh my God.
Okay, the idea is hang on to the Kool-Aid as we go up there and see how much Kool-Aid is left by the time we get to the end.
We did have a hard time getting some speed on the snow tubing hill just because there had been so much powder recently. But it sure was fun.
Snow pants, everything's like waterproof.
Now, mind you, you still have to get out of the tube without.
So, what did I love about the montage? The room, the bed, the bath, the location, the scenery, the weather, the food. It was amazing. If you have a chance to visit Big Sky and you have a chance to stay in, believe it or not, the largest building in the state of Montana, I encourage you to do so. If you've stayed at Montage Big Sky, tell me what you think. And if you're just dreaming of it, tell me that too. Make sure to hit like and subscribe to come back for more great travel content just like this. Thanks for joining me in Montana, and I will see you next time.